Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill with your May 2020 Flavors of the Month kit. Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. Each month with your kit, you'll receive a sample of gourmet coffee so you can brew that up and sip on while you create. You'll also have access to 4 recipe cards, one for each one of the 4 collections, for a double-page layout. These are designed by the design team and they'll give you cutting and assembling instructions and a full color photograph of a finished layout so you can get your kits and create right along with the design team, or come on over to the Facebook group and the blog and check out the challenges. We have a sketch challenge, a Freaky Fast Friday challenge, so many other things going on that you can join in and create with your kits along with us. And as you can see, this month is all about summer. And I don't know about you, but if you're one that's been quarantined at home, then I'm sure you're ready to get out and to play and enjoy some summer. And it may not look like normal summers and some trips may have been delayed, but we can still scrapbook and have fun with it. So this month, the 4 collections are Oh Happy Day from Cartabella, Vitamin C from Fancy Pants, Fun and Sun from Pebbles, and Going Places from Simple Stories. So it's all about that outdoor summer fun and vacations. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these. Our first collection from Cartabella is Oh Happy Day, and it's this beautiful floral collection, all these springtime and summer flowers. It's also geared towards just kind of thinking about everyone else. So there are some great accents and stuff in here to create some cards after you create your layouts. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. This first paper is all the beautiful wildflowers. The back is this aqua gingham plaid. This one is called Tiny Floral. And it's on that wonderful textured cardstock that Cartabella is known for. This paper has all kinds of little cut-aparts that are tags. These are ones that's great just to put right on front of a card front and you're done. We also have some smaller little gift tags. The back is the beautiful leaves on that aqua. And this one is called Tags. Then we have this paper that's all the pots of flowers. The back are these little daisies on red, and this one is called Basket of Flowers. So another look at your patterned papers. I love that red with that aqua. That's so pretty. For your embellishments, you're going to receive the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have 2 really large borders, this gingham plaid and the florals. The little jars of flowers. This has fruit mixed in. So cute. A little bumblebee and some birds and the little gardening hat. We have some tags up here. So again, just some gorgeous accents to document maybe your flower beds or just a walk in the park. So such a beautiful collection of Oh Happy Day from Cartabella. Our next collection is Vitamin C from Fancy Pants. So this is kind of geared towards the seaside, the beach, just having fun in the sun. This also goes really well with our next collection from Pebbles, so you could combine both of those. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper called Tropical Leaves in all of the bright colors. The back has this pink tone-on-tone striped. This one called Happy Stripes. A diagonal stripe in all of the colors, and the back is kind of the mermaid scales in the turquoise. And then we have that same print in pink. This one is called Sunbrellas. So the back side has all of these fun like umbrella prints in the different colors on that light blue. So some beautiful colors. Just love that. So another look at the pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to receive a 1/3 pack of the tags, and it also has some twine to go with it. You're going to get some ephemera pieces. So again, all of these will vary, and also some puffy dots here. So those will vary in the colors as well, but that's what I got. So that's a good representation of what will be in your kit. So that is Vitamin C from Fancy Pants. Our next collection is Sun and Fun from Pebbles. And like I said earlier, this is a perfect little piece to go together with the vitamin C collection from Fancy Pants. So be sure to kind of combine those two for even more options. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of sapphire cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Splash Splash, which has all the cute little kids and their little inner tubes and their little sand pails. So super cute. The back is this rainbow stripe. There's also full branding strips, so that one has the beach balls. This one called Summer Bouquet with all of the beautiful flowers on the pink background. And the back is a pink polka dot. Have this one called Ball Toss, which is the beach balls on that dark blue. And the back has the little sea scallop design on that dark blue as well. So again, just a fun, vibrant summer collection that I know everybody's ready for. For the embellishments, they're going to vary among the kits, but you're going to get 1 or 2 word puffy phrases and some puffy dots here, so they will vary. And then a combination of some phrase labels and icons. So again, all of those will vary, but this is a good idea of what will be in the kit. So another great collection to document our summer memories when we get able to go outside and soak up some of the sunshine that I know we're all ready for. Our final collection is Going Places from Simple Stories. And with social distancing and quarantine, there may not be very many places that people are going right now, or you may have had a trip canceled, which I know I had gotten a passport and was going on my first international flight only to Canada, but still, and it was canceled, but I'm still going to document it with this collection. I think it'll be a fun thing to look back upon, and the pieces are perfect for it. You could also scrapbook about a trip that you've already taken, or hopefully by now we're going to start seeing the light at the end of the tunnel and get to go on some trips coming up soon. Or you might be out taking drives just so that you can get out of the house. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. This pattern paper called Travel More, which has just different phrases from about travel, on the way, going places, adventure, happy travels. The back has just lots of travel icons from sunglasses, a camera, a globe, your suitcase. This one, On Our Way, is all of the little luggage tags or the little tags from different places that you're going to go. So it's really great. It's not specific to any one location. It's just generic travel themes. The back has a compass and the suitcase, camera, your passport. You could also document about things that you've done while you've been in quarantine, or while if you're like me, you're not exactly quarantined, you're not at home, you're still going out and working, but things that you're doing, adventures that you're taking, maybe online. I know there's lots of little museums and things that you can do online now, which I think is cool. So just think outside of the box right now. This paper called Around the World, which does have specific places, New York, China, South Africa, Hawaii, Paris, New York. So you could also just document about a bucket list or places that you would like to go or that you're dreaming about going. I think that would be a fun paper to use for a layout like that. The back is a diagonal red and off-white stripe. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get 1/4 a pack of the foam stickers. So these have phrases and also the icons, so they will vary depending on which part of the sheet that you get. And also 1/5 a pack of the bits and pieces. So again, these will vary, but I have a car and an airplane and the passport. And like I said, I have already tons of ideas how to use those right now, even though I didn't get to go on this particular trip. So I hope you enjoyed this month's Flavor of the Month kit. We would love to hear which collection are you going to start with first. Also, be sure to check out all the other add-ons available to go along with your Flavors of the Month, so you can add more cardstock, more pattern paper, and more embellishments to this kit to make it go even further and have more options, which is always a lot of fun. Join us on the Facebook group and the blog for the challenges and to see what the design team is creating with their kits. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to show us what you create with your kits.